In today's video, I will walk you through how to organize products in your Shopify store. To get started, go to the Products section in your Shopify admin panel. You can find products in the navigation menu on the left side of the dashboard. Once you're inside the Products area, navigate to Collections. The Collections section is where you'll create groups of products and organize them the way you want them displayed. After opening Collections, look for the Add Collection button and click on it. This will open the collection creation page. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for your collection. Choose a name that clearly represents the products you plan to include. Next, enter a description for the collection. Add the details you want associated with that collection, so it accurately reflects the products that will appear inside it. After entering the name and description, move to the collection type section. For this setup, select Manual as the collection type. Once Manual is selected, continue to the area where products can be added to the collection. Browse through your available products and select the items you want included. Add each product you would like to appear inside this collection. After you've finished adding products, locate the Sort drop-down menu. Open the drop-down and select Manually. Choosing this option allows you to control the exact order in which products appear inside the collection. Once manual sorting is enabled, drag handles will appear next to the products in the collection. Use these drag handles to rearrange the products. Click and hold a product, then drag it into the position where you want it to appear. Continue moving products until the collection is arranged exactly the way you want. Take a moment to review the order and make any final adjustments. If a product needs to appear higher or lower in the collection, simply drag it into the preferred position. You can continue reorganizing items until you're satisfied with the layout. After reviewing the collection and confirming the product order, locate the Save button. Click Save to apply all of your changes. Saving ensures that the collection name, description, selected products, collection type, and product order are all stored. If you want to create additional collections, open Collections, click Add Collection, enter the collection details, choose Manual, add products, select manually from the sorting options, arrange the products with the drag handles, and save your changes. That's all it takes to organize products in your Shopify store and arrange them in the order you prefer. Thank you for watching.